Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start with an image that already hints at story. Pick a high-contrast shot and crop for cinematic framing. Open it, then immediately duplicate the background so you preserve the original file. Apply a Ghibli-inspired LUT or load a custom pastel color map. This establishes the emotional tone. Once done, reduce clarity slightly and boost midtone saturation to mimic cell color vibrancy. Make sure to work non-destructively with adjustment layers so you can refine colors later. Now focus on turning photo detail into painted elements. Use an edge detect or find edges filter on a duplicate, desaturate it, then set blend mode to multiply at low opacity to suggest hand-drawn outlines. Next, add a subtle paper grain layer set to overlay or soft light. Keep it low so skin stays smooth, but backgrounds gain texture. Then paint highlights and shadows on separate clipped layers with a soft round brush so depth reads like animation cells. Adjust opacity. Finish by color grading for the Ghibli mood. Lift highlights warm and tint shadows slightly cool to create that gentle contrast. Use selective sharpening. Apply it to focal details only to keep painterly softness elsewhere. Once done, flatten a copy for export but keep layered master. Make sure to convert to sRGB for web and export at high quality. If colors look flat, check your LUT intensity and layer blend modes. Reducing vibrance, then adjusting midtone curve often fixes washed results quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.